Good afternoon students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Today in this video, we will do some more examples related with RHS congruence rule. Let's see one example that in figure 1, measures of some parts of triangles are given. By applying RHS congruence rule, state which pairs of triangles are congruent. In case of congruent triangles, write the result in symbolic form. Now you can see in figure 1 triangle PQR is shown. Now this triangle is divided into two parts by the side PS, which divides the triangle PQR into two triangles, that is triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. Now we will consider these two triangles, that is in triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. We can see here that one of the angle is 90 degree in this triangle, and also in this triangle PSR one of the angle is 90 degree. That means these two triangles are right triangles. So we can write from these two triangles, that is triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. Angle PSQ is equal to angle PSR, which is here 90 degree. Also, we know that if the measure of two angles are equal, then that two angles are said to be congruent. So in short notations, we can also write that PSQ, angle PSQ is congruent to angle PSR because their measures are same. So that means these two angles are congruent. Also, we can see that in right triangle, the hypotenuse is given here 3 cm. In this triangle also 3 cm. That means hypotenuse PQ is equal to hypotenuse, that is PR, which is given here 3 cm. Both are of same measurement. That means these two parts are congruent. And one of the side, that is side PS, is common to both the triangles. So here PS side is common to both the triangles. So we can write here side PS is equal to side PS in both the triangles. So we can see one of the right angle, that is one of the angle, both are 90 degree. One of the, that is hypotenuse, both are equal. And one of the side, that is the common side, this PS is equal to PS. That means because they are the common side. So these are equal. So by RHS congruence rule, we can say that these two triangles are congruent because we know if hypotenuse and one side of a right triangle are respectively equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and one of the sides of another right triangle, then that two triangles are congruent. That is known as RHS by RHS congruence rule. And also from these three equality relations, we have the following correspondence with their vertices. So we can see here that PQ is equal to PR and PS is equal to PS. So we can write P is corresponds to P and Q is corresponds to R. So S is corresponds to S. So from the above three equality relations, we have the following correspondence with their vertices. So in symbolic form, we can write, in symbolic form, we can write triangle PQS, or we can write triangle PSQ is congruent to, P means P, that is triangle P. In place of Q we will write R, and in place of S we will write S, by RHS right angle hypotenuse side. RHS means right angle hypotenuse side. RHS congruence rule. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruent rule. Now let us see another example that BD and C are altitudes of triangle ABC. Here BD is the altitude and C is the altitude. such that BD is equal to C. It is given. Then state the three pairs of equal parts in triangle CBD and triangle BCE. These two triangles. Now, in triangle CBD and triangle BCE, we have angle CDB is equal to angle CEB. Both are 90 degree because it is given that BD is the altitudes. BD and CE are the altitudes we know. If this BD is the altitudes of the triangle ABC, then BD must be perpendicular to AC. That means angle CDE, BD will make an angle of 90 degree with the line AC at point D. So we can write angle CDB is equal to 90 degree, and also C is perpendicular to AB. So here from figure C is perpendicular to AB. So we can write angle CEB is equal to 90 degree. So both the angles are 90 degree because these are the altitudes of the triangles. So that means these two triangles are right triangle. Also from the figure, the side BC is common to both the triangles. So which is the hypotenuse, because the angle opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse we know. So this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, both the right triangles. So here BC is equal to BC, which is the common side, and also the hypotenuse of the right triangle. And another side is there, that is BD. Here another side, that is BD, is equal to C. Another side, that is BD, is equal to C, which is here it is given. It is given in the question. So here we are getting the three equalities from these two triangles. The first one is both the angles are 90 degree. That means these two triangles are right triangle. One of the hypotenuse of both the triangles are equal, and another side of both the triangles are equal. So we know by RHS congruence rule, if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and one of the sides of another right triangle, then that two triangles are congruent. So also from these three equality relations, we have the following correspondences with their vertices. Here BC is equal to BC and BD is equal to C. So from these two equality relations, we can write B is corresponds to C. Then D is left, so D is corresponds to E. Then C is corresponds to B. So the second question is asked, is triangle CBD is congruent to triangle BCE? So we write yes. Yes, triangle CBD is congruent to, in place of C, we will write here, C means B. So we will write triangle B. Then in place of B, we will write C. And in place of D, we will write E. So yes, triangle CBD is congruent to triangles BCE by which congruence criteria? By RHS congruence rule. Now the question, third number question is angle DCB. Angle DCB means this angle is equal to angle EBC. That means this angle. We know if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal. So as these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So by CPCT we can write that yes, angle DCB, because this is in this triangle, this angle is equal to the corresponding angles of the triangle BCE. So the third answer will be yes, these two angles are equal by CPCT. So in this way you can try the other questions. I hope all of you understood these examples. Thank you all of you.